Hello everyone. So today we have an exciting unboxing of this new product by DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. So basically this is like a stabilizer or a gimbal that you're gonna put your phone on it so that you can just take outside and get a more stabilized videos. You know, if you want to do like a blogging or vlogging, or some sceneries outside, for example. So without further ado, let's unbox and see what do we get from here. This one is the combo editions, okay? So I have my trusty knife here, so I'm gonna put it and open it. Okay, like so. Okay, this is. Can you hear some of the plastic flipping off? Yes. Woo. So yeah. Oh, this is slightly tap here. Okay. Yes. So this is the case where everything sits inside, and you have another box here, which I think. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's nothing inside. It's just like a padding, another padding inside. I'm gonna put this aside. So let's take a look at this small box. Okay. You have the straps that you can tie into your Osmo. The USB cable charger for you to charge it. I'm not sure what this is. Can anybody explain what this is? I'm not sure. There's something else. Yes. Okay, that's about it. There's no more things inside. Okay, this is supposed to be the stand where you can screw at the bottom of your Osmo, and where you can use this to make sure that it stand on the table. It looks like a drone fan. By the way, DJI is a drone company, the famous drone company. So this is like the pouch that you can store your. Oops, sorry, it's the other way around, is it? Yeah, you can store your. It's a very nice texture. It's like a material that you use to wipe your screen. It's fiber. I'm not sure what's the name of the material. Okay, now that is done, we can go ahead and look at the main package here. Ooh. Let's have a side. Oh wow, that is really nice. So it's like a pouch. It's a hard case, very durable, I believe, and the material is so nice. Okay, DJI branding, and the zipper. This one is like an embossed writings, Osmo DJI, and at the back, maybe you can put your cables at the back. You know, there's slightly case space there. Okay, let's open it. Wow, it's very small. This one is just another thing. There's one thing I realized, there's no, when you open a product, there's like a template or something that you can learn from on how to use the product and all that, but I don't see any of that in this. Okay, this one is another padding still. So yeah, this is it. This is the product itself. It looks very still. Oh, there's a so there's a sticker there that shows you how to use the product. Interesting. So there's another padding here to protect it during shipping, I think. So in other people's video I saw you just have to pull it. Oh my god, I don't really know how to put it. Oh, it's here. So here, pull it and it will. Wow, it's very good. All I can say that is the build quality is super nice. They made out of plastic, but a very sturdy plastic, a very high quality plastic that, for example, a dashboard of your car, similar to that. It's a very hard plastic. And over here it is rubberized so that it's easier for you to hold, when you capture a video and all that. So there's another branding here, DJI, here another branding here, Osmo. So in the front you can find the clicker. So this is the one that you use to shoot, stop, and change the orientations of the cameras, another from portrait to landscape. There's a zoom button here, record button here. Sorry, it's not a record button. I think it's okay. This one is a record button for the photos and turn it on or something. This one, I don't know, maybe to adjust another setting. Well, we will discover that in another video, another reviews video of this product. So since this is a combo edition of this Osmo Mobile, it comes with this. So basically you screw it at the bottom of, it's not going in, at the bottom of the gimbal like so, and now you can have it stand on table without it falling down. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's about it. So here are the stuff. Yay. So thank you for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video of the review for this Osmo Mobile 3. Bye.